Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to reset your control settings on Steam. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, method 1, which is the general reset. Well, you can just go ahead over to the top left right here, click on Steam. Now, go ahead and click on Settings. And then here, go ahead and click on the controller tab. Okay, so just click on it, and then once done, you can go ahead and copy my default settings right here. So Game Rumble enabled, use Nintendo button layout disabled, universal face button glyphs disabled. Scroll down under external gamepad settings, guide buttons focuses Steam enabled, and this one is enabled. The rest is disabled. Okay, enable guide button cards for controllers. Now PlayStation controller support, this one should be enabled in games without support, and then idle gamepad, this one is up to you, and then the rest is okay. Okay, that's method 1. Now method 2, you can go ahead over to big picture. Okay, right here. Now go ahead and find the problematic game. For example, Counter-Strike 2 right here supports controller. Okay, I'm just gonna click on it. And then once done, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the controller section right here. Tick on it. Just make sure that you select the recommended settings, as this one is the default. Okay, or you could go ahead over to templates right here and choose from one of these options. Okay, now the third, or which is by far the easiest working method or the most efficient method. Okay, you could go ahead over to your File Explorer, but before that, close Steam entirely. Okay, right click on Steam, exit. Wait for it to fully close. Now go ahead and open up your File Explorer. Open up a local disk C where your Steam is installed. Program files x86. Now find Steam and then config. Now in here we have config.vdf. Right click on it and just hit on delete. This is your Steam's settings. Okay, all of your Steam settings is right here. Also, your logins, you'll have to log back in again, okay, for you to open up Steam. Just be careful when deleting this one. It's just like deleting Steam, but with the games are still in there, okay? So just right click on it, hit on delete. Then once that's done, gotta restart your computer. And after that, you're good to go. That is how you reset your control settings on Steam. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.